Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the ipconfig space slash renew command or release commands not working properly, and it says no operations can be performed on internet while it has its media disconnected. So makikita mo tong error na to mga kaibigan. Alright, kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open, and dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung system, at dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung troubleshoot, so click mo lang yan. And under dito sa options, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so click lang natin yan. And dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet, at dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run, and wait natin. And then, madirect tayo dito sa help and support. So, nandito lahat yung step-by-step method and procedures, information details na kailangan natin i-follow para ma-fix yung problem. Alright? So, after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na NATSH space WNSAC space reset. Okay? So kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na NATSH space WNSAC space reset, and press mo lang yung enter, and then successfully reset the WNSAC catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Alright? So ang next step, so close lang natin yan, and then dito sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. So after ka mag-restart, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin, so same dito sa search menu and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung network reset. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yan, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa network reset, so this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So makikita mo dito yung network reset, and then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang dito yung reset now. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung yes. Alright, so click mo lang tong yes. Alright, so after dito sa settings, and then close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang ulit mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix ipconfig space slash renew not working, no operations can be performed. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.